Scope on my clap. Some gun sound on my clap. Wap 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 wap. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, we have a lot to discuss in this video, included that wonderful performance that Skillibeng did over by England. Yo, me say Skillibeng prove no for them wrong, you see. Skillibeng shut up no for them, you see. But before we go in and dash something there, we are gonna listen to some tracks and then we break down the stories.
We know hear about some every girl want fuck. Belly get flat, pussy well want talk. Know she a freak, me toe she starts up. That a argue if you know she want fuck.
On the line I'm a crook. I need a pretty bitch, I drop her foot, so when me push it in her she belly, I never make a do. Line up like chopper, man, a pataku. Them illiterate, so me send them go buy a pack of book.
Stop going like you don't know this, you know this. Girl, with your wife, give me brain every time when I feel like so me need motives. Watch for my wrist, cool is rich, cause me live on the line like clothespin.
Love when you move that body for me. Love when you throw your arms around me.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, that song, the last song that I just played, is from an artist called Prince Curious. And the song is entitled Paradise. I'm not telling a lie, people. When you need, for go check out that song. This is not the official review for that song, but definitely me still want to go check out that song. In our future review, me definitely I'll talk about the artist here and talk about the song more. Alright?
You see the way I be looking at you. Show me Ray-Ban with a smile to catch you. Coming to ask for your number. After me be pulling to your bumper.
Dancehall artist Jahshii made a small appearance in Halfway Tree, in the middle of Halfway Tree. People, look at the response from the people. People, them love Jahshii, you know. I'm not telling a lie. Let's also look at Jahshii's most recent performance at Acoustic Live. Me not telling a lie still, Jahshii. You go on and you do your thing, you see me? Why you just tighten up on your performance a little bit, stop kind of scream out in a mic certain way, and everything I got alright. But then again, Jahshii just bust one day, so we can't expect Jahshii to be perfect. And that with enough of them artists here in the industry, not that with enough of them veteran here, we call themselves veteran. Them want the youth them for perfect one time, one day. In a work so. Jahshii's performance was later on cut very, very short. People, check out this clip.
Nah, man, I lie. Police, you know activity. A police killing. Don't try to block my vibes, brother, if you don't want to profile. Me I tell you something, Godfather, big up yourself, but Jahshii, me I tell you. No. You know, easy. Never we keep it to us, sir. When I want Jahshii a profile, they are the pure, they are the best. Everything that you like, everyone wanna reach up your son. Let me sing it a cappella. Jaja talk to me, then just kill my friend now when they want to. Out of breakfast in the body feel. Mana, born fighter, strongest soldier get the fight.
Not sure why the police lock off Jahshii's performance, but some people on social media are speculating that is because Jahshii said this.
Nah, man, I lie. Police, you know activity. A police killing. Don't try to block my vibes, brother, if you don't want to profile. May I tell you something, Godfather, big up yourself, boy.
I don't know who that person on the stage is, but the person that Jahshii is talking about, the police kill activity, that was Jahshii's friend and also producer who was shot and killed by police, and the police claim that activity was a known gunman. Now let's look at Skillibeng's most recent performance in England.
Bro.
Let's go, Kim. Next turn. You say, yeah, Batman, you know. Where Batman then there? Go in here. She's a freak, she love money, she a freak, call me daddy. She nothing bad, she not no manners, she a freak. Ladies, it's your time. You said,
Well on, question, is this the same trap dancer, quote unquote, where them a talk about nah pass airport, nah pass this, nah pass that? Look how skilly I sure we said that's something that can work. Probably we not have it totally figured out, Probably the younger generation don't have it totally figured out. Probably them just need little help. But them definitely onto something. Listen how the people them a perform Skilly song. Not even Skilly can get to perform him own a song. Because the crowd just a sing out. People, you see how much camera, you see how much angle. Me showing from different angle in the, I don't want to call it stadium, I can call it auditorium. People, this is no joke. Skilly go over there and Skilly do it. I'm proud of Skilly. Me proud of Skillibeng. We have reactions from Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel uploaded a clip from the performance and he captioned it and just say wap 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 with some smiley face. Me know say Kartel proud of Skilly. Mr. Vegas also uploaded a clip of the performance on his Instagram with the caption, "Bad mind Kitty, you no shame, dirty shit." At Ricky Trooper, you no shame, do it youth, eat no food. Me not tell no lie, as I expressed before, me really proud of Skilly. I'm hope say other dancehall artists can look upon that as an inspiration and say youth, you can do it. You see me? Uno can do it, and a matter of fact, uno bina do it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way. Any other way? A wrong way. My God. By the way, question to you. Who are going to win the Grammy?